Hello students, in the first video I explained the different character functions which can be used while writing a program related to characters. Now I am going to explain how those functions we can use in the program. Here class sample is written, then public static void main char p in parameters is given. You can write public void display function or any name you can write, and then in parameters char p is written. For that, dialog box will come during the execution of the program. It will ask the value of p which you have to fill. Then condition is written, if character dot is letter p, the p character which you are going to give, suppose that is a, small a, then it will return true. Character dot is letter p means this a is a letter or not. It is a letter, condition will be true. So if the condition is true, whatever is written after if condition will execute. So it will print p, value of p is what? A. A is a letter. Suppose instead of a I am giving 1. So what it will print? 1 is not a letter. If the if condition is false, then else part will execute. Now if same program we have to write by using scanner, that is util package, then how we can write? Class special is given, public static void main string args, you can write public void display, any function you can write. Then scanner in equal to new scanner system.in, it will accept the input from the system and it will store in the object in. And when you have to accept a character, you want to stop the compiler to accept a character, you have to write in dot next function dot caret 0. So here it will stop to accept the value of a character, and whichever character you are giving, it will check whether it is a letter. You can write this much also, if character dot is letter p, then also it will check whether it is true or false. If you are writing double equal to true, then also it is okay to write. And what it will print then? System.out.println p is a letter. Suppose you have given q there, then it will write q is a letter. Suppose you have given comma there, so it will write comma is not a letter.